That was proper. This thing flies. Success. Thing's a beast on 6S, and it's going to cop a hiding now because it smashed up my body on the last run. So we're going to see what else we can break on it. I've had another run of a different car between batteries, so I've kind of let everything cool down to give this a fair shot on 6S. But my goodness, it's got a lot of power. That stock 8 scale system is working hard on this big heavy 7 scale monster truck. That's for sure. When you bleep that throttle, it just tears everything up. Look at it. Freaking unreal. Wow. It's such a beast. Oh. Oh, let's destroy the rest of the body while we're at it, eh? So for those of you who perhaps haven't seen the 4S run, I had one nasty landing on that rear edge of the body and bent the shock tower slightly. Woo! Bent the shock tower slightly and pretty much destroyed the rear of the body. Oh, okay, that was the ESC hitting the brakes. That was not me. So this ESC does have that stupid fault. I didn't notice it on 4S. Maybe everyone's having that issue. Whoops. Yes, maybe everyone's having the issue with the braking is only on 6S, or perhaps it's more noticeable on 6S, but I didn't notice much of it or any of it at all on 4S. But it did it to me then, so I think I'm going to try and update the firmware on this ESC when I get home, and what I might end up doing, because I'm going to do it eventually anyway, is change out the power system completely, because I want to put a different motor in this. This truck rather. I know some people have complained about the tyres, but I gotta be honest, I don't see the issue. Oh, it did it again. It did it again. It hit those brakes again. Yeah, we may have to cut this short because I'm gonna end up wrecking the truck otherwise. How interesting. I don't know what they've done to the ESC for it to cause that. I don't know how they let that slip through QC. But it's an interesting thing that's happening where the ESC just randomly taps the brakes when you go to neutral. And of course it only happens when you're jumping, because why would it do it when you're driving straight? Yeah, I gotta be honest about the tyres. I'm gonna mention it again because people have really talked down these tyres quite a bit online, and that was a slap that was heard across the globe. My goodness. That slap would oh, save. That slap would rival Will Smith's slap, I reckon. system's holding on okay. She likes to rebound a bit. I think it does need some slightly heavier oils. Oh, oh, you alright? Thing, an absolute animal. That was a pretty big send on that one. You know, I'm getting so carried away on this jump. Let's go on the big jump. Screw it. Let's do it. See what damage we can cause here. Ooh, come on now. Is this where the tyres are going to show their true ugliness? And call me a liar. Not bad for a truck that weighs this much and stock gearing. That covered some distance. Oh, body's come off. Body's come off. That's interesting. How did the body come off? Body's not supposed to come off. Body's not supposed to come off. How does the body come off? Let's find out what's happened. Come on. Oh, okay. Somehow it unhooked itself. Kind of weird. And now because everything's buckled back here, I can't even put the body back on properly. Alright, give me a sec. This thing flies. It carries so much energy. It just goes forever. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Line it up, line it up. Get on that embankment, here we go. That was a save and a half. That was a save and a half. Even if it did tumble afterwards. That was proper. That was proper. Look like the body's come off again. Why is the body coming off? Yeah, success is where it's at. God, it just flies. Oh, at the last minute. At the last minute. All right, let's wrap this up before we completely destroy this truck. This thing on 6S, very lively. Power system proving me wrong. And I thought the power system would have been on fire by now, but still holding on. Stock gearing, mind you. Haven't changed much on this truck other than I'm using a DX5C. Tweaked the suspension a little bit with the preload spacers, but shock oils are the same, diff oils are the same, stock. Everything's stock. Ooh! There we go. LVC. Glad it happened this time while I was on the ground and not doing a jump. But there you have it, the ARRMA Big Rock 6S crew cab here for the first time on 6S. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.